them.
She was so ready for solid food.
She's ready for solid furniture too.
Yeah, no kidding.
So do I just keep giving it to her until she's done? Until she doesn't want it anymore?
Uh-huh.
Do I have to?
I should maybe 2 pages. The first time.
Well, she's probably almost done with that. It's like crack, isn't it?
Well, you said she went
It's
after
like
the
baby
carrot.
crack.
She loved the carrot.
So good. You're doing so good. Is that good? Is that good, pretty girl? Is that good?
I think we're gonna have a bath after dinner.
Oh, yeah,
I
probably.
think so.
She's like, but it's on my hand, Mom. Hold on. Okay. Aw.
Yum. Yum. Is that tasty and delicious? All right, I think we'll give you one more spoonful.
She's reaching for it. Ah! Up the nose.
Uh-oh.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing, cutie pie?
Her first dinner.
There's a picture for you. That's
Oh,
sexy,
funny.
girl. Girlfriend, you're a hot mess. You are a hot mess.